Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day 3 of our Everyday Strength Challenge. I hope you're ready and up for this. Building strength is not an easy process in body or mind, but we hope to accumulate this strength gradually over a lifelong practice. So come to comfortable seated, make sure you have your bricks, anything you need, and that you're well hydrated, and we shall make a start. Opening the space for practice with the vibration of Om. Taking a breath in. Om. Take a few moments to tune in to the inner universe, the inner landscape. Begin to feel a deep connection with the breath, which will guide our practice. And take a deeper breath in. And exhale, gently open the eyes. So from here, we're going to bring ourselves through to an all-fours position. We'll begin with initial mobilization and warm-up, as always, same as day 2. So spread out the fingers, hands underneath the shoulders. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze the pelvic floor, just rock the hips from side to side, just waking up the hips, finding the rhythm of the breath. Good, and then come to stillness in center. Tuck the toes under, inhale. Exhale, push and lift the hips up and back, but keep the knees bent. So you lengthen the spine, but keep the knees bent. So the belly might be on the thighs. And then inhale, bring the knees down, keep the toe tuck, and open the chest as the belly dips, as if you were doing a cat. Squeeze the pelvic floor, exhale, tuck under, and then push back into a knees bent downward dog. So using some shoulder strength here. Inhale as you bring the knees down, lift the chest, shoulders draw back. Good, last one. Exhale, tuck the tailbone, round the back, push back. Now from this position, inhale. Exhale, begin to open out the backs of the knees just to your own measure. Inhale as you arrive in downward dog. Exhale and just begin to walk the dog, lifting and lowering the heels. Let the head dangle. Good. And just waking up the core muscles on the inhale, bring the knees down. So hover the knees away from the floor. Good, suck in the lower abdominals. Exhale, straighten the right leg. Push out of the shoulders. Inhale, dip the right knee. Exhale, straighten the left leg. Inhale, dip, and then exhale, push all the way back into downward dog. Good. From this position, bring the left heel in. Exhale, step through with the right leg as we come to warrior 1 position. Inhale, keep that front knee bent as you rise up, square the hips forward. Exhale. So just starting with a strong, steady base through the lower body. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. Good. Try and lift the back inner thigh. That's it. No, you can widen your stance. From here, you might lift the arms up to see how your shoulders feel. Good. Lifting the chest. Now from here, inhale, squeeze the pelvic floor. Exhale, see if you can pivot on the back foot, coming into a crescent moon pose. Good. And then from here, either stay here, knee in shoes, or inhale, dip the back knee. Good. And then exhale to lift. Good. Keep bending into the front knee. Inhale, slow dip. Exhale to lift. Last one. You can do it. Inhale, slow dip. Exhale to lift. Now from here, swing the arms down. Good. Bring the hands to the hips. Squeeze the pelvic floor. Try a tricky move. Inhale, use momentum to step through. Stay low in your chair pose. Good. Exhale, press the palms of the hands together. Squeeze the glutes. Good. Remember those principles from day 1 and day 2. And then inhale, straighten up. Feel the thighs. Exhale as you take the arms down. From here, we change sides. Bring the hands to the hips. Inhale, step back with the right leg, warrior 1 to the left side. Square the hips through. Exhale. Good. Press into the back heel. Find your breath. Equal weight distribution. Good. Bend into that front knee so you can feel the thighs. Either stay there or take the arms up once again. Look straight ahead, but keep the back of the neck relaxed. Either stay here or come onto the ball of the back foot. Make that adjustment. Good. From here, either stay here or inhale, slow dip of the right knee. Exhale to lift. So you might touch down, you might go halfway. Inhale to dip. Exhale to lift. Last one, strong legs. Inhale to dip. Exhale to lift. Very good. Inhale, swing the arms back and down. Exhale, hands to the hips. Again, step through to chair pose. Inhale, squeeze the glutes equally. Good, feel the thigh burn. Exhale, press the palms of the hands together, squeeze the glutes. Inhale to lift up. Good, and exhale as you circle the arms down. Nice. From here, inhale, swoosh the arms up. Exhale, swan dive down. Bend the knees as you need to. Inhale, lift the chest. And then exhale, step back with the left leg and bring the left knee down. Good. Keeping the toe tucked. Check that your knee is directly over your ankle. Know you might use bricks underneath the hands as we come into Anjaneyasana. That's it. Stabilize, lift the sternum. You might stay there, or you might interweave the fingers above the right knee. Good. You might shorten your stance a little. Inhale. Exhale. See if you can lift the back knee. Very good. Inhale to tap. If it's too much, you can keep the knee down. Exhale, either stay or lift. Last one. Inhale, squeeze the glutes. Exhale to lift. Very good. Inhale, bring the hands down. Now from here, sneak your bricks in. Exhale and step back to knees down plank or a full plank, your choice. Hold your plank. Good. Good. Keep squeezing, lifting, shaking, breathing. Feel everything that's going on with the body. Doing really well. And then exhale, push back into downward dog on the bricks. Good. Stabilize. Find your breath. Relax the face. And from here, squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale, roll forward to plank once again. Exhale, step through with the left leg. And again, keep the toe tucked. So remember your options. You can stay in Anjaneyasana, or you can lift up, bring the hands above the left knee as we change sides. Inhale. Exhale, either stay or lift the back knee. Good squeeze. Inhale to dip. Good. Exhale to squeeze. Last one. Inhale to dip. Still smiling. That's it. Exhale to squeeze. Very good. Inhale, bring the hands down to the bricks. Exhale, step back into your plank position. Inhale. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. So like a frog's leg, point the toes. Inhale back. Exhale, right knee. Now, know you can do this with the knees down. Inhale. Exhale, left knee. So knees down is fine. That's it. Good. Inhale. Exhale, right knee. We've got one more set. Inhale. Exhale, left knee. Good squeeze. Inhale back. Exhale, right knee. Inhale back to plank. Exhale, bring the knees down. Good. From here, move your bricks to one side. Come down to the sitting bones. Stretch out the legs in front of you. Inhale, reach the arms up as you draw the toes back. Exhale, fold into Paschimottanasana. So your hands might be on the floor, ankles, knees, toes. We start off with a nice long spine. Inhale. And then exhale, we're going to round down. So just fold down to your own measure. Relax the back muscles. Soften the gaze. Use this forward bend to release. Pull down from the challenge. Good. And squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale. Exhale. And just begin to roll everything back. Now from here, walk the feet in. And just do this slightly differently. I'm going to come up onto the toes. Hug the shins in. You can stay there or inhale. Exhale. See if you can lift the feet away from the floor. So kind of make yourself into a tight ball. Good. So rounding and holding. Draw the lower abdominals in. You might stay there, or you might try and go arms free. Hands free. Good. Lift the toes. Lower abdominals. Lower abdominals. Good. Exhale and bring the feet down. Just allow the knees to come out to the side. Butterfly, wing the knees. That's it. Release the groin. Very good. So we'll revisit Navasana. Inhale, come in. So you might return to this version that we did, days 1 and 2. You might lift up, hands free. You might go straight leg. Good. And then come back down. Keep the toes on the floor this time or the heels down. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, take them to the left side. You might squeeze your knees together. Squeeze the pelvic floor. Good. Inhale to lift up. Introducing a twist. Exhale to the right side. Keep the chest moving forward. Inhale to lift up. Good. To the left. You've got just the one more. You can do it. Inhale to lift up. Exhale to the right. Good. Squeeze. Inhale to lift up. And exhale, slide the legs out. Inhale, lift the chest back to Paschimottanasana. Exhale and fold to your own measure. Good. Even out the breath. Working your oblique abdominals to facilitate the twist in action, which is so important in many of our asanas, our postures. Good. From here, inhale, lift the chest. Exhale. Good. So from this position, I'm going to revisit our Utplutihi. I'm going to try 2 rounds today as opposed to 1. If you need to sit one out, that's okay. But this is all about the challenge. So bringing the bricks in, just 15 minutes to last. You can do it. We're nearly there in this class. So from here, squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale. Exhale, either engage or lean forward. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Lift the bum away from the floor. Maybe lift the feet. Good. Squeeze, press, hold. Keep breathing. And then exhale, bring it down. Good. Circle out the wrists. Nice deep breath in. Nice deep breath out. That's it. Settle the mind. This is hard. I'm going to try one more. Can you do it? Let's see. Hands to the bricks. Inhale, exhale, squeeze and lift. Good. Hold in. Breathe in. Now, if you're up here, see if you can straighten your legs out. Good. And then exhale, bring it down. Very nice. From here, bringing the bricks to one side. Take the legs to a wider angle. Good. So come into more of a straddle position, just as wide as you can comfortably sustain. That's it. You might roll the glutes back. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, and just come forward to your own measure. So Upavishtakonasana, it's releasing the back. Very good. This is easy for you. Feel free to continue. If you continue, you draw your toes back to stabilize. You know, you can rest your forearms down. You might rest on a brick or 2. See what's doable. Good. And from here, squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale. Exhale. So keeping that principle from earlier, take hold of the hinge at the back of the knees. Inhale. So just tinker with lifting the feet up, possibly hands free. An option for Upavishta B is to take hold of the big toes. You might stay there. Lower abdominals in. You might tinker with taking the heels out to the sides. That's it. You lose your balance, just start again. If you roll back, just start again. That's easy for you. You might take both heels out. Keep lifting. Draw the shoulders down. The tip for balance. Good. If that's not enough of a challenge, you can go hands free. Give me a wave. And then exhale. Good. Come into easy cross-leg position. We'll come to Baddha Padmasana. Wrap your arms behind the back. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale and fold in to your own measure. Sealing in the energy of the practice. Relax the head, relax the neck. Settling into the breath. And squeeze the pelvic floor to lift back up. Exhale. Pressing the palms of the hands gently together, the center of the chest. To close the practice, take a breath in. Bow the head as we give thanks for our health and our practice. Inhale to lift the prayer hands up. Exhale to center. Namaste. So thank you for practicing with me. Do hit the like button, do subscribe so that you get all of this 7-day challenge straight into your inbox. And I hope to see you for day 4. Take care.